Hello everyone, today I will explain to you how to install Windows 11 in virtual machine using VirtualBox. First, open the browser, then search for VirtualBox in Google. Then go to Download section. And select Windows Host to download Windows compatible version. Then wait for download to finish. After that, run the installation file and install the application. Then open the application. After that, click on New to create new virtual machine. Put the name for the virtual machine. Then click Next, then specify the memory size. Then select Create Virtual Hard Disk Now. Leave the rest as it is. Here you can change the virtual machine file location and the size of the hard disk. After that, click Create. Double-click on the virtual machine. Then select Windows 11 image file that you have downloaded. Then wait for virtual machine to start up. You will receive a message that it can't be installed in your computer, because it doesn't meet the minimum requirement. Don't worry, we will do a workaround to fix it. Close this window to return to main installation window. Then click Shift and F10 to open prompt command. Write regedit to open registry editor. Then navigate to the path as displayed in the screen. Then create as sub key under setup key and name it lab config. Also create two DWORD 32-bit keys. One is named bypass secure boot check and the other is named bypass TPM check. Then set their values to 1. Finally, close everything and go back to the main installation window. Then try to install it again. Now installation is allowed. Proceed to the end of the installation wizard to finalize the setup. That is it for now. Thank you for watching.